If you're a front-end developer, junior dev, or someone who's tired of spinning up servers just to test an idea, then this course is just for you. Welcome to this Supabase Crash Course, your beginner-friendly guide to building powerful full-stack apps without managing a backend from scratch. Supabase is an open-source Firebase alternative built on top of PostgreSQL. It gives you everything you need, such as authentication, database, storage, and real-time APIs, all out of the box, and all free to get started. And rather than talking in theory, we are getting our hands dirty. In this course, we will be building a modern, full-stack, notes-taking app, complete with Google login, secure user data, cloud persistence, and production deployment. So, by the end of this course, you will learn how to set up a Supabase project from scratch, create and manage your PostgreSQL tables using Table Editor, enable and configure Google Authentication, connect Supabase to your React frontend using the official client, perform CRUD operations such as create, read, update, and delete, make sure users only see their own data, and finally, deploy your full app to the web using Netlify. So, everything that we are about to build will be clean, modern, and mobile friendly. And you'll see it coming together step by step on screen in real time. So, this course is perfect if you're a junior developer looking to understand backend fundamentals, a React developer curious about Supabase, or just someone who wants to build full stack apps fast with zero friction. So grab your favorite drink, open your code editor, and let's start building with Supabase, the easiest way to turn your front-end skills into full-stack superpowers. Let's dive in.